bring it to Canada. The emphasis on the first seems to be they plan to do more. Voilà, c'était